Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You need to start inside the contacts card. Open Contacts now and find the person you want to share. Once the card is visible, check that the contact has a phone number or iMessage address listed, because iMessage requires a reachable address. Make sure your iPhone is on and connected to cellular or Wi-Fi. This avoids delivery issues. Then tap Edit only if you need to add or correct a phone or email before sharing, since accurate info makes sharing seamless. Once done, tap Share Contact from the contact card and choose Messages as the sharing method. This uses iMessage if available. Pick an existing conversation or type a recipient, because Messages will deliver the card directly inside the chat. You can send the whole contact card or tap to select only phone, email, or other fields. Choose fewer fields for privacy. Make sure you review the preview and Messages before tapping Send so the correct details are included. After sending, watch the chat bubble to confirm it shows as delivered. If it appears blue, it was sent via iMessage. Green means SMS fallback. Tell the recipient to tap the shared card and choose Save New Contact or Add to Existing Contact to store it. If the card won't send, toggle iMessage off and on in Settings Messages, restart your phone, and try resending. This usually clears temporary network or service glitches and ensures the card goes through.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.